Where is the Colosseum located? Venice, Florence, Rome, or Milan? Correct answer is Rome. Which river is located near the Colosseum? Tiber River, Arno River, Po River, or Adige River? Correct answer is Tiber River. What was the original name of the Colosseum? Amphitheatrum Maximus, Amphitheatrum Flavium, Circus Maximus, or Colosso Romano? Correct answer is Amphitheatrum Flavium. Which emperors were responsible for the construction of the Colosseum? Augustus and Tiberius, Nero and Caligula, Vespasian, Titus and Domitian, or Trajan and Hadrian? Correct answer is Vespasian, Titus and Domitian. What material was primarily used for the outer walls of the Colosseum? Marble, brick, granite, or travertine limestone? Correct answer is travertine limestone. How many spectators could the Colosseum accommodate at its peak? 20,000 to 50,000, 30,000 to 60,000, 50,000 to 80,000, or 100,000 to 130,000? Correct answer is 50,000 to 80,000. What feature of the Colosseum allowed for dramatic entrances during events? The velarium, the hypogeum, the cavea, or the vomitoria? Correct answer is the hypogeum. What was the primary purpose of the Colosseum during ancient Rome? Religious ceremonies, gladiatorial contests and public spectacles, political meetings, or trade exhibitions? Correct answer is gladiatorial contests and public spectacles. Which innovative building techniques did Romans use extensively in the Colosseum construction? Steel framing, reinforced concrete, arches and vaults, or prefabricated modules? Correct answer is arches and vaults. What was the purpose of the sand covering the arena floor? To absorb blood during events, to enhance aesthetics, to provide traction for gladiators, or to keep the arena cool? Correct answer is to absorb blood during events. What type of stone is tuff used in constructing parts of the Colosseum? Sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, igneous rock, or volcanic rock? Correct answer is volcanic rock. What was the primary function of the velarium in the Colosseum? To provide seating, to shade spectators from the sun, to hold animals, or to display banners? Correct answer is to shade spectators from the sun. What type of events were known as naumachia held in the Colosseum? Gladiatorial battles, animal hunts, chariot races, or mock naval battles? Correct answer is mock naval battles. Which of the following was not a feature of the Colosseum? Hypogeum, velarium, circus track, or arena floor? Correct answer is circus track. What does the term cavea refer to in relation to the Colosseum? The seating area for spectators, the arena floor, the entrance gates, or the underground chambers? Correct answer is the seating area for spectators. Which architectural style is not represented in the Colosseum's design? Doric, Ionic, Corinthian, or Gothic? Correct answer is Gothic. How many original entrances did the Colosseum have? 60, 80, 100, or 120? Correct answer is 80. What significant event took place during the inauguration of the Colosseum? The first gladiatorial fight, a grand feast for citizens, a series of games lasting 100 days, or the unveiling of a statue? Correct answer is a series of games lasting 100 days. Which animal was commonly used in spectacles at the Colosseum? Elephants, lions, bears, or all of the above? Correct answer is all of the above. What major natural disaster caused significant damage to the Colosseum in 1349? Earthquake, fire, flooding, or landslide? Correct answer is earthquake. How did gladiators typically gain their freedom after fighting in the Colosseum? Winning a certain number of fights, purchasing their freedom, being granted freedom by an emperor, or all of the above? Correct answer is all of the above. In what year was the Colosseum designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site? 1970, 1980, 1990, or 2000? Correct answer is 1980. Which part of Roman society was most likely to be seated closest to the arena during events? The general public, gladiators, senators and wealthy citizens, or slaves? Correct answer is senators and wealthy citizens. How many stories tall is the Colosseum? 1 story, 2 stories, 3 stories, or 4 stories? Correct answer is 4 stories. What was the primary purpose of the Colosseum's underground chambers? To house gladiators and animals before events, to serve as a storage area for weapons, to provide seating for officials, or to store food and supplies? Correct answer is to house gladiators and animals before events. Which of the following best describes the Colosseum's architectural style? Neoclassical, Ancient Roman, Romanesque, or Baroque? Correct answer is Ancient Roman. What type of seating arrangement was used in the Colosseum? Circular, tiered, random, or flat? Correct answer is tiered. What was the significance of the seating sections in the Colosseum? They reflected social hierarchy. They were designed for comfort. They were all the same size, or they were reserved for tourists only. Correct answer is they reflected social hierarchy. Which feature allowed spectators to enter and exit the Colosseum quickly? The hypogam, the vomitoria, the velarium, or the arena floor? Correct answer is the vomitoria. How did gladiators typically train for their fights? In specialized schools called ludi, in private homes, in public parks, or in military camps? Correct answer is in specialized schools called ludi. What was one of the most famous types of gladiators who fought in the Colosseum? Retiarius, Secutor, Thracian, or all of the above? Correct answer is all of the above. What did the term gladiator originally refer to? A type of weapon, a type of armor, a swordsman or fighter, or a spectator? Correct answer is a swordsman or fighter. What modern technology is used to enhance visitor experiences at the Colosseum today? Augmented reality tours, virtual reality simulations, audio guides and mobile apps, or all of the above? Correct answer is all of the above. Which part of Roman society often provided funding for events held at the Colosseum? The Senate, wealthy patrons or sponsors, the military, or local businesses? Correct answer is wealthy patrons or sponsors. Please join our journey, subscribe, share, and stay updated.